Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. This is my second one of the day, and I'm making it right now not only because we are seeing some major moves in the market, but also because I'm going on another road trip, my friends. If you guys have been watching these videos since my first road trip, let me know down in the comments section. I want to know who you are. That's dope. Let's get straight into the technical analysis. We are approaching these $45,000 levels on Bitcoin, which is a great thing. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. We're up 27% just today, my friends. So, me personally am almost up 100%. If you followed my alerts in the Patreon, you will also be almost up 100%. If you got in around the 6 levels, if you got in around the 5 levels, you're up almost 120% right now, my beautiful friends. Check out the Patreon, real-time buy and sell alerts. Link in the description. Let's get straight into this analysis, though. The range we're looking at right here, we really need to watch these levels here, okay? Boom. And then at the very max, because of this little wick over here, we want to watch there. But right on the top of these previous bodies, that's where we really need to watch for the most selling pressure. Because these wicks aren't too hard to get through. But this level here, these 14s on the dot. So we have broken into this bottom part of the rectangle above the 1130 levels. Honestly, it happened way faster than I thought, but it makes sense because this is a classic 3-bar play. And if you guys watched the videos in the previous days, I literally charted this out for you guys. And now it didn't happen exactly how I said, just simply because it didn't happen in one day. But it did, on the one day, it did close above that 960 level. And now it is moving higher. So what did I say? I said this, boom to boom. Then you want to bring it to there. And look, we hit it. Our target was 11, like around these 1160 levels, but we apparently had some more buying pressure. I'm not complaining at all. It's a great thing, great sign. But what we want to watch here, what we don't want to see is after this daily candle, we don't want to see a big red candle pushing back down, okay? That will just show that this could have been just a minor rally to get people back in before it moves to the downside even more. What we want to see is, now today, it will be most bullish if this price ends above these 1135 levels. But what would be even more bullish than it just ending above, because we can still retrace tomorrow pretty heavily, is if we come back down and test this bottom of the rectangle before moving higher. If we can test it and create that support, that means that the buyers are not letting it go below these 1136 levels, and we will be heading to the upside in the future. So that's what we want to watch for. We really wanted to hold these 1136, 1135 levels before this next move to the upside. We don't want it to go too parabolic too quick because the correction will be very, very major. Now we are seeing natural movement right here. Look, it goes up, staggers around, goes back up again. Now we want to see it stagger around again and then move higher. All right, we just want to keep seeing this. It's that's the most natural way of movement. But if you are looking at this, it is spiking fast. Look at the trajectory, the trend line of this. All right, that is very, very steep. Okay, now if you look and see, where did we have a trend line like this in the past? All right, let's just use previous prices. All right, we saw one here. All right, and it wasn't even as steep. The one we're hitting now is steeper. Then we saw some major buying come in there, pushing from the 1348 all the way up to the 16 level. So, if you guys gotten around the 6 levels, oh my goodness, good stuff, my friends. We are sitting nicely, my friends. But if you have not gotten around the 6 levels, be patient, because you always want to get in on a correction, okay? As it's spiking, you don't want to get in when you see days like this, up 30%. You want to see days where it's down 15%, average a little bit in, all right? You don't want to average in on the highs. That's just simple. And I assume you guys know this already. But if you don't, I'm here to reassure that it's best to wait. Okay, look, right here, it seems as though we had the same amount. of trajectory. Okay, it did move up, staggered back down. Now this was as the news, and Bitcoin was also staggering. So overall market, it really depends on the overall market and what we're looking like. And right now we're looking very bullish as the overall market has decreased dramatically. All right. Now it is coming back. It's hitting those $45,000 levels, but think about it. A couple weeks ago, we were at the $60,000 levels. All right. We are not too far away from hitting that again. And once we hit those $60,000 levels, we will indeed break these all-time highs, no doubt in my mind. Now, after that, we need to watch these 28 levels, and we need to watch really the news and the ecosystem and how the developers of this coin are going to market it and promote it. All right, we need to see it being marketed somewhat how Shiba Inu was marketed. If you guys have ever had an ad that says "missed Dogecoin by Sheeb," something like that is a very bullish sign that this is going to go up. However, whenever those ads come out, that is when we are nearing a high, because there's no greater fool. People will stop buying it because there's no one else to push the price higher. Everyone has already bought some. But yes, that is what I will help you guys with in the coming days, weeks, months, however long it takes for this thing to 10x. And it will 10x. There's no doubt in my mind. Just a matter of time. So yeah, like right now, up 2x already. It's pretty simple. Just follow these alerts, follow technical analysis. If you learn the technical analysis, not only can you use it on Dogelon Mars, but you can also use it on any other coin out there. Just a little tip for you guys. Some people in the Patreon have been looking at this coin, all right? I don't have anything in it right now because I don't really mess with small cap coins that much. This small cap, at least. It is the market cap is very small. I think it's fully diluted. It's almost 800 million. So it's about the same size as Dogelon Mars, fully diluted. That means the normal market cap is much smaller. It's probably around a $400 or $500 market cap, $500 million market cap. But we are seeing some volume thicken up. So if you guys, if you learn technical analysis, you can day trade this. Like today, it's up 24%. If you just simply trade it off the candles, and you can do that by dextools.io, launch app. If it's on the Ethereum blockchain, which it is not on the Ethereum blockchain, it's on Kronos. Huh. Interesting. Tonic. Yeah, I don't think it will. It won't. But hey. Yeah, it's hard to use technical analysis when there's just lines. It's not impossible, but it's not as accurate as if there were candlesticks. All right, candlesticks are very important because you can tell what the price is actually doing. You can go to smaller time frames and see where the support and resistance lines are and how the buyers are moving, how the sellers are selling off, and where the supports are with volume and everything. It's really nice. It's really nice. If you want to learn techniques I use to make a living with crypto, check out the course. The link's in the description, and it will help you learn all this stuff. It's a really good starter course to advanced course. So if you're a beginner and you want to just get really, really good at this stuff, potentially even make it your job like I did, check out the course. It will teach you everything you need to know. One-stop shop, baby. I'm going to head out. Crypto Bane is 69. I'm packing up my bags for this road trip. Got our 7-hour drive going down to South Florida. So, heck yeah. If you guys don't know, I have 2 other YouTube channels. So we're just going to film for those. But yeah. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay patient. You don't want to buy in at a high. You want to buy in at a low. All right. Whenever people are scared, like really scared, we see this over and over. It just keeps happening. And it's pretty sad that people, like literally when it dropped like this, people were clowning. People were clowning on me for buying at this level and promoting, like not even promoting, just giving my technical analysis and saying this was a good time to buy. They were saying the crypto market is over, all right? And you're going to see that. You're going to see those people all day long. We call them Pauls here, all right? Paul, I love you, bro, but you are that guy. You are that guy, or you were. You might have changed, my man. And if you did, Yeah, good job for you. If you don't know Paul, he was someone that commented, I'm taking all my money out and putting it into the S&P 500 when it was low, like this low. He was definitely at a loss, and he probably bought at a high, my man. This is when you should be averaging to lower that break even. And those of you who listened are sitting very nicely right now. A lot of you started averaging in around these. Personally, I started averaging in around these 17 levels on my main account. Okay, on my main account, I started buying more around these 10 levels as it dipped the first time, and then I started a second count and started buying around these 6 and 7 levels. Okay, so currently I was at a loss, right, with my main account. Completely fine. I've been moving my break even down. It's probably around these 12 levels now, but on my second account, holding billions, I got in around these 6 levels, and now it's up almost double. So it's a really nice thing. But yeah, Paul, man, I love you, bro. Don't be a Paul. Don't be a Paul. Don't, whenever things drop, don't look at it as a negative thing. Look at it as a positive thing. If anything, look at it as a negative as it's spiking, because then you won't get emotional. It kind of balances that out, but it doesn't really work like that. You just got to really take it back. Just take a step back and look at money, look at dollars like a game, pretty much. Like, it's just about how much coin can you get. There's no emotion to it. You can always make more. There's unlimited amount. If you fail here, you can just go somewhere else. But once you look at it as a game, then it kind of takes the emotion all out of it. Because if you're looking at something as, holy crap, I'm up $15,000 in a week, you're going to be like, wow, I could put a down payment on a house. I could buy a new car. I could go on a vacation. And then you'll get emotional because it's the fear of missing out. Well, I'm missing out on a car, a house, a vacation. If you look at it as a coin, as a game, you're just like, okay, I got 15,000. This is good. How can I make more? I want to win this. I want to be the best. I want to be the best. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to be the best and make the most amount of money in these markets, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Wish me luck on the road trip. I'm going to drive safe just for you guys. I got to keep giving you updates, and I can't get in a wreck. If I do, I'll be giving you updates from the hospital bed because I can't let you guys down. A lot of you people are invested in me, and I won't let you down. So I'm happy you're with me. Happy we have a strong-ass community, especially in the Patreon. You guys on the YouTube, I love you guys. I love hearing your feedback in the comments section. So keep it up, my friends. Keep it up. We're heading up to Mars. We're just staggering around, fueling up the rocket right now. So Crypto Billionaire 69. Peace.